So here you have a beautiful eye model, and then you slowly zoom out, and it's a potato.
Oh, yes, of course.
Hi, today I wanted to try adding freckles to my face. I know this is a very old trend, but I figured why not try it out because I've never actually tried adding freckles to my face. Plus, if I don't mention it enough already, I've been having quite a bit of breakouts lately, and you know, I figured it doesn't hurt to add more dots to my face. So that's what we're doing today. This is definitely not a tutorial, so please do not follow any instructions I give. I will not be giving any instructions.
From this point forward, our homegirl proved herself to be a liar. In fact, she does give instructions later on, and might I say very bad instructions.
But yeah, let's get started. Wow, hello close-up. The first thing that I am actually doing is going in with this cheek and lip stain and adding it to my cheeks to make it a little bit rosier. Oh my god. Also, hello acne scars. Now that I am so rosy, I might actually add some here. And now I just look like I am sunburnt. Now, once you look like you've been in the sun for 10 hours, you want to take your brush and go ahead and get your eyeshadow. Wow, I love how I said this was not a tutorial and it has somehow turned into me tutorializing you guys. I don't have the right brush for this, so I'm using my eyebrow brush. So I'm gonna try to use the tip of this brush and just dip it in at the tip. Now I'm just gonna go in here. Yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and start dotting. One, two, three. I already have, I don't know if they're freckles or moles, but just dots already on my face. I have quite a few. Yeah, so we're just gonna add to that. The one thing I'm noticing is that since I'm not using the right brush, the dots are coming out the same size, which I don't really want. I want some of them to be bigger and some of them to be smaller, but it is not coming out like that. So I'm just going in and kind of lightening the freckles. I feel like it would really help if I had powder right now, but I don't, so I'm just going in and tapping it to make sure that it doesn't seem too dark. Okay, not gonna lie, my face looks a little dirty right now, so I'm gonna go in and try to clean up some of these, as in like rub it a little bit and hope that they don't look that dark. That looks nasty. I think the issue is that I can't make very tiny freckles since my brush is quite limiting. So this is what it looks like right now. It looks, honestly, it just looks like my face is dirty, but I'm trying my best. I'm gonna add a little bit more to my forehead and see how that works out. Okay, now that I've added it to my forehead, it kind of just looks like acne. So we'll rub that a little bit. And yeah, I'm gonna try adding a little bit here. Maybe that helps. I don't know if that helped. Actually, it just does look like I have a lot of blemishes. But let's see. For some reason, I thought it would be smart to try to use my eyeliner, and I kind of messed up. But nothing a little bit of rubbing and touching can't do. Wow. Okay.
Cute. You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
That's my face. I do not look like that. Okay, here are my freckles, and I think I like it. They look kind of unnatural, so I don't really know if I did this right. That's kind of the look for today. I am beautiful. I think this was pretty fun, and I'm gonna zoom out now so you can see my whole face. I really wish the sun were out right now so I could get that glow, but this is how it turned out. I really like it. I think I could have done a little bit more to make it look natural, but other than that, that's it for my video. Thank you for watching, and if you like my face, subscribe. If you don't like my face, also subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye. I need the sun to come out. Oh, it's out. It's out. This is not a false alarm. And this is what I'm looking like now. My face either looks greasy or glossy.